Get this choice.
I think it's too offensive.
What?
Too offensive.
What? Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. This week's video is going to be a compilation of my friends and I playing a bunch of our favorite games. I hope you enjoy, and if you're interested in playing these games as well, I will leave the links in the description. They are all free, and maybe you can play some with your friends as well. Bye!
Alright, let's get started.
Let's
game.
go. Are you recording?
Yeah, I am. Cassidy.
Alright.
Who's Cassidy?
Oh, I'm first. That's me.
Okay.
Oh.
That looks very sad.
I have no idea what's going on.
Come on, Annie!
What?
Annie, you noob.
What? Oh, lol.
Yeah,
Sorry, I wasn't even paying attention at the beginning.
Well,
Oh.
I don't get... I assume this is because you know the score. This must be some
The score
famous,
of?
like...
I don't get it.
I don't know
That's
what
you.
the score is of. Is it soccer? I don't
It's
know.
a very
No.
famous football score.
Presentable, okay.
Wait, I don't.
Barracuda, what
Wait,
the
1v1
hell?
with Wildy is tryharding.
Yeah, who is this?
Oh, what is that place?
Ah, nice. Let's
Fuck.
go.
What?
You should draw something else, I reckon.
Should draw a
Madagascar!
lion, a zebra, a giraffe.
That's just probably because I have very bad geography skills, so
Yeah, that's not my fault.
yeah. It wasn't...
I
What
would-
do you look like?
He.
Dude, why are you typing in caps lock?
I think the was.
What's going on?
He's finished. That's it. That's all we're getting.
What is going on here?
I think it's too offensive.
What?
Too offensive.
What?
Should have chosen sword.
Oh my god.
I cannot.
I don't get it.
Draw something. Draw something.
Note down.
T-Pain.
I'm voting that.
What is
Wait,
going
you're-
on?
Why would you?
I'm
Daisy!
I couldn't draw. I just laughed. What was I meant to draw?
Something, I don't know.
What were you drawing on the middle of his face?
Yeah, what was that?
I was laughing. Selfishly. Thought it would be an interesting word to draw, but I realized how offensive it could be.
Dude, it doesn't matter. It's not like this is gonna be on the internet in a
Yeah.
video. Come on.
Oh.
I need to work on my typing speed.
I don't know what the. Oh, okay.
That's
I'm
pretty
very
good.
confused.
That's pretty good.
What is going on there, Greg? What is
I like
that,
it.
an eyebrow?
Poggers.
Fuck, no, that is pogging.
Oh,
You got this.
Pick the
fam.
hardest one.
I didn't pick the hardest
I
one.
tried, but
Oh, you succeeded.
did not
Somewhat.
succeed.
What is this?
Oh!
I am very confused.
You're graphic.
I'm not on point today. It's all this. Yeah, I'm on point now. Is that an eye?
What is that?
Espresso.
Alright,
Oh.
Ah,
Wait, why is the arm muscle thing? What does that mean?
It's strong coffee. I don't.
Oh,
know.
okay.
Okay.
I respect it.
Yeah.
I understand.
What's
Why
everyone's
is it
favorite brand of chocolate?
See?
Mint, probably, just because it's like the most common one, easy to find. It's pretty good.
I
Very
like Cadbury personally, but that's because I'm a basic.
Cadbury, yeah, Cadbury's trash.
I
Except
agree.
the caramels. Caramels are good.
why are you hating on his
I don't
choices?
know.
Yeah, what the? Why are you devaluing me as a human being? Jesus Christ!
Wow.
What devaluing?
I mean-
You're just devaluing your choices.
Whoa, this guy's gigantic.
I don't think it's good.
Bro, what the hell? Yeah, he's Jack.
Fucking The Rock and his girlfriend.
Okay, how do I draw the... Oh!
What the fuck am I looking at?
Do you
Oh,
get what
what
I
is
mean,
that?
though?
No.
What is that?
What is going on?
That makes sense.
Whoa, what?
She's getting terminated.
What the? I'm so confused.
Wow.
Yeah, here we go.
What? What?
Is it?
Oh.
Oh wait,
What?
I did wrong. I did it wrong.
What's going on, mate? You good there?
Oh,
I
Yeah.
sang it. I sang
Wow.
it. I drew the wrong
Yeah, you
direction.
drew the
as a-
West.
Yeah, West.
Here we go.
How did you get a ride? Who got a ride
What
first?
it is? Frick. On a stick. Oh, shop. What?
Shopping mart. You ever pogged when you're sliding with your shopping cart? That's a classic.
Yep.
Poggers in the comments if you agree.
Oh my god. This is not a live stream, Michael.
No, it is.
Okay.
Greg
Oh.
with the lead speak. Window. Wait, that's
Wow.
Windows OS.
Windows OS, yeah.
Oh, I'm dumb.
Oh my god, Windows is supposed to be Wind OS. I think.
No, there's an extra W there, dumbass.
Oh, what's that dude called?
Oh.
This a dude or what?
Oh,
It's not a dude.
I was thinking of the dude in How's Moving Car.
Oh,
Let's do this.
Yes.
I don't know why.
Who has these eyes? They're very
Okay.
nice.
you
Oh,
settle
oh,
down.
oh.
That's actually a really good picture.
Yeah. Whoa, what is animal is this?
Oh, damn.
Oh, wait.
Huh?
Wait,
Truly the
yes.
worst animal.
Why is it McDonald's? What is going on there?
That's
I
misleading.
don't think this is accurate.
That's misleading.
Yeah. Why don't you draw?
Oh my god.
That is poggers. Pogging.
Oh no!
What does that have to do with Macca's?
They like Macca's.
How do you know that? You've never had a kiwi before.
Look, I'm pretty sure if we did a science experiment, they would eat the Macca's willingly.
Oh, that's true.
Jeremy was swayed by my argument. He's like, oh, that's
Hey.
true.
Makes
Oh,
sense to me.
Fair point.
Alright, I'm gonna smurf this. No,
Agreed, honestly. Yes.
that was-
Oh wait, I know what this is. This is so terrible.
What does it look like?
I tried to do it.
Why?
Mention.
Oh my god.
What is this?
This,
Yeah,
Do I
dude.
know this?
You should. You definitely do.
No, you definitely do.
Right.
this is really bad.
Oh, Gru. Oh, that was a minion. Oh my god.
I dare.
Yeah, that was a pog drawing. Don't listen to him, Marcus.
You. That was pretty close, Annie.
Frick.
What? As if it's not almond.
Sorry. Sorry.
What?
Why'd
That was
you
not an
cancel
almond.
Greg?
That was just not an almond.
It's an almond.
I'm trying to draw it in 2 phases.
Two
thought I was supposed to
phases.
That's a face.
Mhm.
Not
Oh, wait,
an
it
almond.
has a fringe. I forgot. And also a beanie. Just think of it. Frick. I don't know how to. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I don't know how to. I don't actually know what this is. Like, it's in cooking, but I don't know how to.
What?
Oh?
It's an ingredient.
It's not Nutella?
No.
Oh,
It's like
oh.
one
Oh,
that we
right,
don't
right,
really
right.
use. I don't think
Oh.
we use it normally.
Right.
But this is
You
the
do,
first.
but only in certain different
No,
places.
that's a hard word. That's
But
a
That
this
is
is
a hard
this
one.
is the person that I'm trying to.
Someone's
First
going
thing we did there.
Alright, let's do some negative drawing.
Okay, hold up.
Hobby!
Okay, I really don't know how to draw this.
What's his name again?
This is so funny.
It's hilarious.
I don't
Alright.
know how to draw this person. Oh my
I
god.
thought the negative drawing was for a reason.
I forgot his name.
Yeah.
Okay.
15 points, let's go!
Tonight I'm going to be playing this game called Valorant. It's a first-person shooter in case you have no idea. I am really bad at games. It acts as like a really good de-stress after a long day of work, so I'm really looking forward to it and just having a chill sesh and yeah.
Match found.
Oh yeah. It's like the
Good
there's
warm-up
limited amount of lives.
Yeah,
right,
yeah, there's
per
like
team?
first
Yeah.
person to get 30 kills or something. So yeah.
Oh okay.
I don't know, sometimes it's really easy because like everyone else that I'm with is like just as bad as me. But then other times it's so bloody hard because people keep using orbs and I hate orbs so much. Because
So like
oh man, I'm like 4th last in this damn game. No! Run away.
how many of each character can there be?
There's like, there can be like 5 of the same one.
Oh
each
okay, so you
round.
can play the same character.
What was that?
So every time you die, you're like a new character.
No. You remain the same character. You just play like,
Okay.
the same character the whole time through. Well, I was eating my new ice cream.
What ice cream?
The Thai tea.
Thai tea.
Dude,
Oh,
it's so
right.
good. And it's vegan.
Oh, try it. Oh, really?
Yeah, I was surprised. It's made with coconut milk water. Coconut water milk? I don't know which one it is.
I'm pretty sure I flashed though.
Ghost time.
Pretty sure.
Kind of left it in.
He's like in the smoke, I'm pretty sure. On there.
One enemy remaining.
Joke's over!
Can you just
You're
watch
dead!
behind us? You
Enemy
know?
spotted.
No, hear you.
Wait, I thought you said he was in.
Yeah.
What did you say?
I hear someone running through showers.
I'm gonna early rotate because our mid's clear. Oh, not
Yeah, it's Phoenix. He just
Okay.
crashed and he's getting the ult thing, but don't know if he's walking through. Oh, yeah, I think they're coming through here.
there. Keep, just stay there. I'm watching. That's fine with you. Yeah, you can.
One short. Tagged.
Careful now.
Oh,
Good
I see
armor.
him, I see him.
Pausing.
They fell back.
I can't.
They fell back.
Oh, okay. For you. Thank you so much.
One
One
enemy
showers.
remaining.
There's another. Let's go with showers.
In the corner. I think
Yeah.
I'm just gonna like. I got it.
Nice.
Oh, I don't like that.
I see the spike.
Oh, nice.
No.
It's real good.
One enemy remaining.
No one picked Sage in a sense. Look at that. Maybe I'll play Cypher.
Maybe I'll play Phoenix. That's something that I've never played before.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, a killjoy.
Yeah.
Yay! Are we gonna win? I'm gonna flash. 3, 2, 1.
I'm not picking it.
Not picking it either because I'm terrified.
Oh my god, there's like 50 people mid. No, I want my gun.
Pew 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 pew.
Oh, seriously?
Pew 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 pew. You won.
Judge. Vandal, okay.
Spike planted. Beep. Beep. Pew 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 pew.
Okay.
Diffusing. Beep.
Yay!
Beep. You won.
Yes! We did it. We did it, Mom. Woo! I'm happy because I'm still, touch wood, gonna keep this Vandal. There's like 3 people here.
Shadows. Pew 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 pew. Pew pew.
Yeah, they're planting, they're planting.
Spike planted. Beep. 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 Pew 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 pew.
Holy sh**.
Pew 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 pew.
Ah, damn it!
Pew 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 pew. Diffusing. Beep. 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 You won.
Yeah. Oh, up in the top left corner, it seems.
Pew pew.
Oh, no, why I did that.
Pew 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 pew.
There's 2 running. Yes, coming through mid. Oh my god.
Let's go. Pew 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 pew.
Oh,
Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew.
oh, okay, cool. I ran out of the way.
Pew 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 pew. Pew pew pew
Oh!
pew.
Thanks.
You won.
Hey! That was... Yeah, I was surprised. Oh, that's a cool gun.
Shadows.
Yes. Whoa. Oh my god, that was the... Wow, Jeremy.
Shadows. Pew 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 pew
What?
pew.
Yay! My god.
Pew 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 pew.
Nice job, Jeremy.
Spike planting. Beep
Yeah,
beep.
should
You
definitely
won.
be. Okay. Oh yeah, they're doing the same thing. I'm flushing.
Pew 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 pew.
Got him. Nice job. Oh, she's... what?
You won.
Why is she in... Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Nice job, team.